Hi guys, today we're going to go-karting! Right guys?
Yes sir! Let's go! Wamba! Boom boom! Gusto ko sinabi mo kanina.
What?
Yung sinabi mo na yung lalaki ng mga anak natin, tapos ngayon mga kalaro ko na lang sila, no?
Yeah.
Mga barkada ko na lang talaga sila. Imagine mo, liit pa nila nun. Siyempre, hindi kami mag-rhyme di ba? O ngayon, nagra-rhyme na kami, nagkakaintindihan na. Okay, since now every one of you are now vlogging, now this is the time that I'm gonna give you your new vlogging cameras.
I want this one.
Okay, since Max has a good videos yesterday and he is the youngest, let Max choose first.
Okay, go.
Okay, which one you gonna choose?
Yeah, I'll choose this.
Okay.
So if we're go-karting,
Now, how to record?
press this.
Okay, press it. Oh.
Hi guys.
It's now recording.
Do you like the video?
Yes. What if you're going to front in your camera? Put your camera on your face. How?
In your face. Oh.
Remove it.
Remove it.
Remove it from the shirt.
Just pull it.
Come on, I believe you.
Wait, it's hard.
No, just pull it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Kahit
Sorry.
isang kamay lang.
No, it's not hard. Come here.
1, 2, 3.
Now.
Sige, more.
Why just...
Ang mahirap na sa kanya. So hard for him.
I believe in you, my friend.
Okay.
I believe in you, my
Ay, oo nga, mahirap sa kanya.
Sa kanya?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put it on your face like that. Ken is the second youngest. I will let you choose which one.
Yeah, everything.
This one.
Yeah, I think.
Good choice. This is your vlogging camera. And since Hermes has a good video also, top view video, so you'll be the next who picks this one.
Damn,
Okay.
I was about to choose that.
Someone, it's the same thing.
It's the same.
I know, but they're stickers.
Yeah.
No, it's not. This one is more modern. This is 11. Good for you. This is 11 and Max is 12.
7-Eleven.
But mine.
Yeah. So do you know how to use your GoPro?
Yeah.
How?
Hi guys, today we're going to go-karting. Right guys?
Yes sir! Let's go! Today we're now going to use our Pongkan and Eleanor with the kids.
Okay, now we're getting near to the go-kart.
Dahil pasok na tayo. Let's go to the mad cart, guys.
Anyways, guys, we're going to the...
Hello guys, welcome to the biggest go-kart in the Philippines. This is the first vlog that we're going to have bonding together with the kids. Ayan, siyempre kasama si Ella. Artist ko siya artist, director. Let's go! Guys, susubukan muna natin kung kakayanin ni Ken at ni Max yung junior size para at least ma-enjoy nila yung go-kart na to. Susubukan daw po kung kaya, kung abot nila yung junior. Let's check. Oh, nice! So this would be yours. Alright, so after nating matest yung size ng mga kids, yung junior size, pasok na sa kanila. Ngayon, babalik na kami doon para makapaghintay at makapag-sign rin ng waiver natin. Bago sila sumalang doon, meron tayong briefing dito. Pumunta tayo dito. You can only have a fun time if you're going to follow those rules. Guys, bawal ang pasaway.
Walang bangga-bangga.
We are now paying our bill. So ngayon, parang nasa 4,000 plus lang naman kaming lahat na yun. Pero 10 minutes lang ang kinuha namin. Ngayon, kapag nagustuhan namin, tsaka na lang kami mag-extend. Kasi kung kukunin namin yung isa, medyo abot tayo ng mga 15,000, something like that. So, okay na muna sa 10 minutes. Dagdag na lang mamaya. Pwede na kami mag-proceed after ng briefing. So, yung mga flags na ipinakita kanina, hindi naman yung ginagawa namin sa motocross. So, hindi na bago sa kanila yon. Mami ay number 15. At ako naman ay number 20. Number 53, si Salmon. Si Hermes ay number 50. Number 52, si Ken. At si Max ay number 51. May racing number pa talaga kami. Ready?
52.
Ready, guys? Ready?
Yeah, number 51 is gonna win.
Yeah. Okay, this is the go. Wamba! Boom, boom! Galing! High five!
Basang-basa ang kamay ng
Gigil na gigil. Gustong manakit. So nice. High five. High five.
My camera cost.
High five.
Simon,
Simon,
how was
good
it?
job.
Good.
You're trying to trick me, huh? You're bumping me. I saw you. Also Hermes.
I was trying to block him from behind.
Yeah, I'm so fast. Let's see the score. Who's the champion?
Yeah.
Nakakabata yung gantong ginagawa natin. Simon is second. Ella is third. High five. Hermes is fourth. Ken is fifth. And sixth is Watamax. Oh, dang. You're the fifth. You're the sixth place. Right guys, so ngayon tapos na kaming mag-go-kart dito sa Mad Kart. Talaga naman napaka-solid. I could say, maganda yung lugar, napaka-safe. At kapag kami problema ng konti ay nagkakaroon ng slowdown lahat ng mga riders. So very safe naman at good for family bonding. Try nyo considered. Medyo affordable naman ang price, hindi naman siya kamahalan. At the same time, I assure you, mag-enjoy kayo guys. Kami nga nag-enjoy eh. Pero parang ako yung nag-enjoy eh, hindi sila. Yeah, you ride so slow. You ride so slow. Next time you ride fast. Dito na kami ngayon sa SNR at sasama namin kayo sa aming shopping. At pagkatapos naman ay kakain na kami ng aming dinner. Gusto ko sinabi mo kanina.
What?
Yung sinabi mo na yung lalaki ng mga anak natin tapos ngayon mga kalaro ko na lang sila, no?
Yeah.
Mga barkada ko na lang talaga sila. Imagine mo, liit pa nila nun. Siyempre hindi kami mag-rhyme di ba? O ngayon nagra-rhyme na kami, nagkakaintindihan na kami. Ngayon magkakasundo pa kami. Ngayon vlogger na rin to.
Yeah, I just wanna be forever.